Let's take a look at how we can find z-scores using SPSS. Now, we can enter our own data into SPSS. We have been opening preloaded data sets, but you can open a blank file and merely type the numbers in. I've started typing a few numbers in, and I'm going to type two more just to show you the process. You just click the cell you'd like to type in, and then enter in the value. And what we have here is weights of women on a master's swim team. Next, we're going to find the z-scores for these. Now, the z-scores, remember, will tell us how far from the mean that the woman is in terms of the standard deviation. For example, a z-score of 1 would be 1 standard deviation above the mean. A z-score of -1 would be 1 standard deviation below the mean. We can calculate this by going up to the Analyze tab and choosing Descriptive Statistics and looking for the descriptives. Now, we did not give our column a name, so we're just going to move the variable 1 over to the Variables tab to tell SPSS to use that variable. Next, we'll click on Save Standardized Scores as Variables, and then hit OK. SPSS is going to do its thing, and you'll notice actually two pieces of output. The first here tells us for the variable 1 column, again I didn't name it, what the minimum, maximum, mean, and standard deviation was. So we have our summary or descriptive statistics. This is the portion you're going to copy and paste into your project. This second column here tells us the actual z-score, or how far they were above or below the mean. Negatives indicate below, positives above, with regards to the standard deviation. So you can see that first individual, 140, was -0.17 or 0.17 standard deviations below the mean. The mean was 142 pounds, so you could see she was very close. Remember, negatives below, positives indicate above. Okay? So be aware that the second column of output will not show up where you have been seeing output before in the output window, but will show up on the actual data set column in a new column next to your variable. Now you have the descriptive statistics, and you also have your z-scores for each individual data point.